Okay, now for the second part of the PS4 unboxing videos here. Okay, so I think that there's tape. Oh, okay. So yeah, was.
I cut the tape for you already,
Oh.
so you don't have to worry about that.
Okay, so do that. We'll do that for manual. I shouldn't have said the little because it's got big, but whatever.
Yeah, it's kind of a big manual.
Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Here's the controller. It has a touchpad right here. And also, this thing, I forgot what this for. I just gonna check right quick. It says back of this. Lightsaber. Nope, it doesn't.
This is the DualShock 4 controller.
Yes, it is. Oh, it says it enabled games like bar combines the PlayStation camera to precisely track players' position and movements, which is this.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. Okay, so,
Kinda, probably definitely cooler than an Xbox One controller.
yeah. It has the PlayStation button right here. Your control stick and C stick.
Nice.
I just like to call it C stick because that's what everybody else said. Okay, O button, X button, triangle button, square button, and these arrow buttons.
Alright, you ready to open the PlayStation 4 now?
Hold on. Okay, so it also has charger right here and share and options button. L1, L2, R1, R2.
Nice.
Okay, so put that over here. Okay, so we'll open this now.
Open this side. I already cut the tape for you, bud.
I have a feeling you're gonna say that.
Of course. I wanted to make it easy. A box inside of a box.
So yeah.
Lay it down. Lay it down flat. I'm pretty sure it opens this way.
Okay.
No, let me see. We're gonna do this right. Ah, crap.
What? Oh well.
Wasn't exactly how I meant to do it, but whatever.
Yeah, it also works. So inside this box is all this stuff. A download code for Last of Us Remastered.
Yep.
Heard this thing to get started with the PlayStation 4. And another DualShock 4.
Another controller. Awesome.
So we can play 2-player on stuff. Okay, so I had to do that. Okay, so these are pretty much same thing.
Yep.
Maybe the plastic on this one is a little bit newer looking.
Well, no, this one has a cover. There we go.
Then this also has another cover. This one does not have a cover at all.
Interesting. So we have two DualShock 4 controllers.
Exactly.
Exactly. All right.
I say that a lot, by the way.
Yes, you do. All right. What else we got?
Okay, so PlayStation 4 Quick Start Guide. Welcome to World of PlayStation stuff. Yeah. Oops. Welcome to World of the Quick Start Guide in Spanish.
Bring out the big boy now.
First,
what do we got there?
Some USB stuff.
We have what now? We have a power cable.
Yeah.
Guess that's
Some USBs.
what the heck that? Some kind of headset, I guess.
More USBs.
Well, that's a USB. This is an HDMI cable.
Oh, sorry. Anyways.
Your sister's starting to get upset.
Yeah.
All right, here, let me help you with that.
Okay.
It's kind of important. I don't want you to drop it, please.
Okay. There we go. There we even more go.
Let me,
This is huge and kind of heavy.
It is heavy, yes.
True story, guys.
Here we have it, the PS4.
Itself. And now it's glory, it's a brand new one.
It's a brand new one, yes. That's going to do it for today.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe.
Please no rude comments as we said in the last video.
Yes, please no rude comments. Thank you.
You shall never post rude comments. Anyways, bye.
Yeah, bye. Thank you for watching.